You better get down. Oh my God. That was some crazy whiplash.
You should see your
You were right about this bunker.
Wow!
Welcome back. I'm back here at Rivière Rouge. Last time I played here, it was like 50-mile-an-hour winds, and I shot 78, I think. So, rematch.
Was that good?
Huh?
Was that good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I don't even recognize this hole because last time I was here, I sprayed it so far, I think 2 fairways over. Got 112, knocked down 56. Knocked down 52. All right, that's decent. I gotta dial in my wedges a little bit. I just hope it doesn't rain. It's gonna ruin my hat. Just came from playing Griffin. They're pretty fast right now. All right, 200, like drivable par 4, but I didn't hit balls on the range, so I don't know what this 2-iron is about to do. I'm gonna go 6-iron just to warm up a little bit. All right, note to self, I'm drawing it today. So this is annoying. A 270-yard par 4, and I'm like, I have to punch. There's a little gap, but that wouldn't be very wise, would it, Audrey?
No.
No. I'm gonna go out to the side. See the green sticking out there a little bit. Just try to get a piece of the green.
Wait, sorry, where are you going?
On the right of the tree.
Of this tree? Okay, and you're
Yeah.
gonna try to curve it?
Yeah, a little bit. Sit. Hey, that's not
Okay.
bad. Take it. It's not windy at all today. It's the complete opposite of last time I played. Feels like a different course already.
That was hard, no?
Sit. Nah. You're slow.
Par.
Paw. Another short one. Gonna go 4-iron off the tee here, just for position.
C'est bon.
Let's see. All right, got 160 yards. That's a perfect 9-iron. I didn't really hit that 4-iron well, but at least I'm in the fairway.
Where did it go? That was good. What? Are you okay?
No.
Your shoulder?
Yeah. That was the worst shot I've ever hit in my life. I got severe whiplash just now. That's never happened. Actually, that's happened before. That's a little embarrassing. That's quite embarrassing.
Embarrassing?
Yes.
And I apologize for not noticing. I didn't notice. Elska, I'm not going to explain myself.
That's so embarrassing.
Wow.
Yeah, makes sense.
Pew, 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 pew.
All right, 126 yards. That was so, like, I don't even know what to say. But I just hope it doesn't happen again. That was that was some crazy whiplash. Anyways, moving on. Full gap wedge. Sit. Sit. Nice. All right, we got a short par 5 here. Pretty straightforward, slight dog leg, trees on both sides.
Easy.
Easy peasy.
Oh. Is that good?
Hang on. Hit.
Was that a tree?
It clipped some trees, yeah. Should be fine. All right, got 170 yards left. Gonna hit a knockdown 8. No more 9 iron. Okay. Sit. All right. The greens are a little bit faster than last time. I just gotta be aware of that and not get stupid bogeys. This is for Aigle.
Aigle?
Aigle?
This is a par 5?
Yeah. I know I didn't make it look like one.
Don't try to put the ball next to me.
All right, I got you. You better get down. Oh my God. Oh my
That's
God.
close though.
Oh my God.
Birdie.
Tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
All right, another short par 4. Very straight. 4 iron off the tee.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Is that what you think I said?
Yes.
I said 4
I know
iron.
that's not what you said, but it sounded like that. Ooh.
Ah, it's fine. I'm just trying not to get whiplash. That's so weak. That's so weak. 160 yards. It's kind of a triggering number for me, but I'm gonna try to hit this 9 iron again.
Oh. J'ai peur. That's straight, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it bounced off.
Yeah, short. I didn't hit it hard. That's good. 25 feet uphill. left to right. Go, ball, go.
That's still good.
Yes, I.
Is that par?
Par. All right. Another short par 4 should be 280 yards or 290, something like that. Gonna hit a little cut 3 wood. All right, a little thin. All right, got a low pitch here. I'm gonna hit 56 because the pin's kind of in the back, so I'll allow for a little bit of a rollout. Go. Okay, it didn't roll out. All right, fairly easy
That's a
putt.
big green.
Big green, yeah. That's why this white flag is a middle flag. It's gonna go a little left to right. Or not. Am I blind? Did you see it going that way?
Which way? Yes. I don't know where. Does it say par?
Yeah. 195 yard par 3. Gonna go knock down 5 iron.
That is so far.
Yeah.
Nice.
I didn't hit it good. Gotta
Really?
go. Go. I mean, sit. Whoa. I mean, I hit it really good.
Bounce.
That had a hard landing. I mean, I guess I should have hit the 6, but I'm just trying to swing easy. Imagine that went in.
That would have been insane.
All right, I'll tap this in real quick, okay?
Perfect.
Okay.
That was close.
At least I got the speed.
Okay. Oof.
What do you mean?
That was really close.
Never a doubt. All right, hole 9. What do you think about this hole?
Narrow?
It looks pretty narrow, especially with these bushes right ahead.
But
Alright.
you would never hit the bushes though.
I mean, I hope not. Medium length par 4, dog leg left, slightly.
Nice.
Thank you. That was
See,
really.
how can you hit the bushes? The bushes are so low.
I actually almost hit them last time I was here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
All right, not a great lie, but 146 yards to a back pin. I'm gonna hit a knockdown draw pitching wedge. I
Wait,
don't
so you're
really.
going over?
Huh?
You're going over this?
No, I'm gonna curve it. Draws right to left. I don't really need to. I just like feel it. You know what I'm saying? You feel me?
Whoops. I zoomed in wrong. Where is it?
On the green. Zoom in.
Oh, wow.
Where did that land? Right here.
That was so close.
Oh, wow.
Par.
Par. All right. Hole 10. Short par 5, dogleg right. It's good. I can hit a little slice.
Just a little one.
A little one.
Nice.
I didn't cut that much. I didn't slice that enough. Audrey. You said not too much, and you put me in the trees. Anyways, come over here. My ball's right there. We got a little gap. I gotta hit a little cut. You see the gap there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna curve it back over from there.
Okay.
You know how it is.
Oui, oui. Fais attention la racine, hein?
La racine?
La racine.
C'est quoi? Ça?
Oui. Faudrait pas que tu aies un autre whiplash. Avec la racine.
Yeah.
What happened?
I was scared.
Oh,
Audrey.
I'm sorry. You should have seen your
All right, just how I drew it up. I got 155 yards. I'm gonna hit a cut 9-iron. Cut. And hope it cuts.
Il n'y a pas de racine this time.
Oh, thank you. Oh, nice cut.
I'm so
Excellent.
confused where the flag is.
It's over there on the right. Birdie chip. Straightforward. The lie's just not good, so I just gotta be careful there. Keep it calm. Go a bit. All right, I'm not too mad at that.
That's so close.
Ah.
You think it would have went in?
Yeah, that was right in the heart.
Damn.
All right, straightforward par 4. Yeah, I don't know how long it is, but the course is completely different. Yeah, course is completely different without the wind.
That was straight.
Yep.
No?
Yeah.
Was that in the bunker?
No, the bunker is pretty far. You were right about this bunker. I thought it was further up.
Oh.
104 yards. Knockdown sand wedge.
The little tree is pretty annoying.
What little tree?
The long
What,
tall
that?
tree. Yeah.
That's not in the way.
That's not?
Nah.
Okay. Oh.
I almost hit that tree because of you.
Okay.
This is gonna break a decent amount. Oh, go.
Wow! Is that birdie?
Of course. You thought I was gonna just get a bogey on the last and just, get a bogey. No.
No.
I get it back. 196 yards. I'm gonna go 6-iron this time. I think this is the exact yardage as the last one. Smooth. Oh, that is so bad. Embarrassing. I laid up on a par 3. It's a little embarrassing. A couple embarrassing moments today. Just gonna chip this in to redeem myself. What are you laughing at?
The beginning. Do you want to know what I think?
No.
That is crazy. Wow.
What do you think?
Par.
Par 4, dogleg right. 250 to the trees in the back, so I'm gonna hit 4 iron.
Whoa. Was that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Talk to me.
All right, 139 yards. I actually didn't get. I forgot there was crazy wind last time. I didn't get as far as I wanted to because I'm kind of blocked. I'm gonna hit a little cut pitching wedge.
Nice.
Gotta go. Oh, it's good. Actually, let me try to make this. I wasn't committed on my line, you know? Got it. Got it. Oh, that went that
Ooh.
way. Oh. Interesting.
Par?
Par.
Par. Talk to me.
All right, 187 yards. Last time I played here, I hit pitching wedge. It was that downwind. Now I got 7 iron.
I feel like how you say iron is very Canadian.
Iron?
Iron.
7 iron.
That's pretty straightforward.
The par 3?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Eh. Ah. Papier.
Talk to me nice. You thought it was going to keep curving left?
Yeah.
I'm a G.
You square ass.
All right. Pin high, I striped that so good. My swing is finally back to where I want it. Just need to get my body where I want it. Put your eyes on this putt. What do you see?
I don't know what I see. It's so weird.
Yeah, I know.
It goes like in. I guess.
You think it's breaking that way?
Honestly, when you say breaking, I don't even know what that means.
Like, where is it gonna curve?
It goes like this. Because it goes down and then it goes up here. Well, that's how I see it. No?
So where does it curve? That way?
I think so.
Yeah, I think the first, like you were saying, the first half is gonna go that way, and then at the end, maybe it might go back.
Yeah.
'Kay.
So you go this way.
A little bit.
A tiny bit, but pretty straight, I think.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you have to hit it a little bit this way, I think.
Yeah.
But do your thing. Okay, no. Oh!
Yeah, you see, it came back at the end,
But not.
just
okay.
too late.
So you should have went right. Yeah.
Straightforward par 5, 530 yards. None much to it.
Nice.
Yeah, that's fine.
You didn't go that hard, huh?
Nah, I swung smooth. I'm not trying to crack my neck, you know what I'm saying?
Talk to me.
222 yards left. I'm gonna hit 4-iron. Ball's not really traveling today because I'm swinging slow, of course.
You're reaching the green?
Of course. No, I'm not.
Ooh.
It's okay, it's just short.
Where is it?
Short left.
Hmm.
Chunked it.
Yeah.
It's so bad. Uphill left to right.
Ooh.
Dang it.
You hit it pretty hard.
I had to. It was pretty high uphill. Par 5, another one. There's 4 par 5s on the back. That's crazy. What do you think about this hole?
It's a thing going on walking.
Facts. But they're all back to back. Like there's no long walks between holes. You like that?
Yeah.
These.
Again, straight.
I mean the tree right here.
Oh.
You didn't even notice. That's good.
No. That was close to my face.
No, it wasn't.
Oh.
It's cutting, don't worry. It's not cutting. I thought it was gonna cut it a little bit.
Well.
I got a little gap right there. I should go through this one, but I want to go through this one because I want to get closer.
Why don't you go through the tree?
Where? Here? This is not the hole.
No, there.
To where? To where?
Ah. Wait, where's the flag?
It's like all the way through.
Yeah.
But there's what? What do you mean? That's not a gap.
You can't hit it like low.
No.
The end?
No.
No. So I'm kind of confused on which gap you're going for.
Right here.
Okay.
I'm not feeling it.
Take your time. I really thought you were going to get it though.
All right, 186 yards. Exactly where I wanted to be in the fairway. Gonna hit 7-iron. Oh, that's short. Playing these par 5s so bad.
Nice.
Thank you. No spin.
No spin. Boogie?
Yeah. 170 yard par 3. Smooth 8-iron. Very straightforward. Oh, what a kick. I thought that was in.
Me too.
You saw it bounce that way?
Yeah.
All right, last hole, par 5, chance to redeem myself. It's pretty narrow and pretty long. They saved the stroke 1 hole for the last hole, so see how we do.
Nice.
Thanks.
Wow.
It was weak, but I'll take it.
It was straight?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this hole's actually 580 yards. They saved a beast hole and crazy green. Saved it for last. There is a gap to the green, 256 yards away, but there's water around and the green's crazy. It's not worth it. So I'm gonna lay up to the 100, 6 iron.
Nice.
Thanks.
I thought it was gonna curve a little more.
No, it's a good thing it didn't. Perfect layup. That was my target right there. Got 94 yards. This is a beautiful setup for a beautiful birdie on the last.
Oh, it's right there.
94 down.
Where's the water?
Right here. It's not that much, but it wasn't worth it.
Mm-hmm. Ooh.
All right. All hope isn't lost. Can still make this. I still gotta trust the new swing or the old swing, current swing, whatever I'm using right now. Yeah, very simple wedge. I just felt like I was gonna hook it, so I compensated and left it out.
Close. Yay. Par?
Par.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching that incredible performance. And I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe.